Good morning to Chief Charter School. It is Thursday, May 21st today. Good morning, Macy and Quinn. Good morning, Mrs. Tickle. Hi, Alyssa. Good morning, Sophie. Hi, Delilah. Hi, Maddie. Hi, Justice League. I love it when they call that out at the gate. Hi, Charlotte. Hi, Freitas. Good morning, Mrs. Matz. Good morning, Presley. Hey, good morning, Mrs. Stouse. Good morning, Valerie. Good morning, Adriana. Good morning, Brooks boys. Good morning, Gates boys. Hey, we've been talking about confidence this week, and hopefully we've been building up your confidence so you're ready to film some things for the talent show and get those videos in. Mrs. Wright said the videos have been coming in, so I can't wait to see what everybody's going to do for the talent show. This morning we're going to talk about how you can help others build confidence and be confident enough to try anything new. Maybe to try the talent show or try any talent they're trying to develop, or maybe just try something difficult at school or at home. But first, let's go ahead and start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And if you're just hopping on now, it is Thursday, May 21st. Good morning, everybody. We're going to have a special guest on Morning Assembly tomorrow. I'm going to be out of town, and Mrs. Etchison, the middle school version of Mrs. Etchison, our science and PE teacher, is going to be doing our Facebook Live Morning Assembly. So tune in and hear all the shout outs for people who've been working on confidence this week. And I sent you an email last night, parents, but just as another reminder, in case you haven't been up early this morning checking your email, if you have shout outs, please email them to Mrs. Etchison. And I put her email in that, her email address in the email I sent you. So send her your shout outs. We want to give her a bunch of things to brag on people and tell everyone how awesome they've been doing. Tomorrow is also our deadline for getting things in for the talent show. So get those videos finished up and email those to Mrs. Wright. Here's the definition of confidence. So the definition says confidence is having faith in something or someone. It's a kind of trust. And when you have self-confidence, you trust that you have what it takes to handle whatever happens. You feel sure of yourself and enjoy trying new things. When you're confident in others, you rely on them and you confide in them. And that means you can trust others. And that's what I want to talk about today. And I also want to kind of flip that and talk to you about being the kind of person that other people can have confidence in. And I really want to talk to you about the power of your words. You know, we're talking about getting ready for the talent show or trying any other hard thing in your life, like a test or a new skill or getting up in front of people. You know, your words really have a huge impact on people and can really affect how other people feel. I think probably all of us have a sad story from some time in our childhood about a time that we were laughed at or somebody said we couldn't do something, and then we decided to maybe never try that thing again, or maybe not try that thing for a really long time. The power of your words is huge, but you know the power of your words can do the exact opposite of that too. Your words can really, really encourage people to try something that they might not be brave enough to try, or that they might think that they can't do yet. So I just wanted to encourage you this morning to use positive words with people, remind people that they can do hard things, that they can try hard things. You know, make sure that you are encouraging your siblings. If you see your brother out there trying for his talent show and he's recording his skateboard jump for the 57th time, give him some encouragement. The power of your words is huge. You might give him just the little extra bit of push that he needs to pull off that amazing trick that'll look great in the talent show. Parents, I know you guys already know this, but man, parents, the power of your words, it sticks with your kids for their whole life, and it's going to encourage them and give them the confidence that they need. Kids, I'm going to say this. When your parents say, come on, you can do this, or try that new food, you might like it, or hey, let's just try this one more time, I think you can do a little bit better. Your parents are saying that because they actually believe what they're saying. So trust your parents, have some confidence in them, and try that new thing out, and give everything your best effort. One last reminder, email those shout outs to Mrs. Etchison for tomorrow, and then join her. And then when I get back into town, I'll watch the video and I can celebrate with you guys with all of the amazing things you've done this week. Have a great weekend at Chief Charter School, and happy Memorial Day. No school Monday. Everybody gets a day off. Oh, sorry. Remember how I said yesterday that when I say something funny on Morning Assembly Live, I just imagine that you're all out there joking, and that one kind of cracked me up. No school Monday. We do have our huge drive-through party on Friday next week, and we can't wait to see all of you guys. Friday, May 29th from 9 to 11. Come join us, see all your teachers. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.